The early Carling knockouts exits of Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs might be a hidden blessing for Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bros, who has already set his sights on fine-tuning his squad ahead of the Africa Cup of Nations in December. Speaking during a roundtable discussion hosted by the South African Football Association, Bros shared detailed insights into his team roadmap toward the continental trophies. After guiding Bafana Bafana to a commendable third place finish at the previous edition in Ivory Coast, the Belgian tactician is fully aware that expectations will be much higher this time around, and said we start on the 8th of December with our preparation. We'll be based at Tax in Pretoria until the 17th before departing for Morocco. We'll play a friendly match before we leave, although we are still finalizing the opponent. The 72-year-old coach revealed that he would announce his final squad shortly after returning from a busy schedule abroad, which includes attending 2026 FIFA World Cup draw, and it probably, but not certain yet, will face Zambia on the 14th of November. After that, I'll travel to Belgium for 2 weeks to see my family, then head to Washington for the World Cup draw on the 5th. I'll be back in South Africa on the 7th of December and camp starts the next day. While Bros would have preferred an earlier start to camp, his plans were slightly affected by the Premier Soccer League's calendar, particularly Carling Knockout Final, which takes place in December, and said for the second time the PSL didn't want to collaborate because of the Carling Cup final. Maybe they don't like to hear it, but I'm very happy that Chiefs and Sundowns are already out. Their early elimination could indeed prove advantageous for the national team, freeing up several key players for Bros's extended preparation period. Bafana Bafana would have drawn in Group B for AFCON, where they will face formidable opponents in Egypt, Angola, and Zimbabwe. As the countdown begins, Bros will be hoping his team can build on their recent momentum and carry the nation's hope with confidence on the continental stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.